Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add articles on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, I'm going to create a new site. And then I'm going to click on Create on Wix Editor. After that, as you can see, guys, right here, you can start to chat with AI. So it will make it easier for you to set up your site. So I'm going to click on Start Chat. And then, as you can see, guys, you need to tell the uh, AI what your site is all about. So I'm going to type article site like this, and then click on enter or send. And then, as you can see, guys, it's generating a response. Give it a name. For example, I'm going to name it tutorial articles. Hit enter. And then you can either choose to continue the conversation with the AI, or you can just end it right here. So I'm going to click on end chat and continue. And as you can see, guys, now it's preparing our dashboard and so on for the site. So just wait for it to load. As you can see, guys, the dashboard right now is loading. So this is how the dashboard will look like. You're going to be here in the setup page. You can follow these steps to set up your site. And if you want to design your site, go here to the bottom and click on design site. And then you're going to be taken to this page. You can either choose to generate a design with AI or choose a template to customize it. So I'm going to pick a template, for example. And then, as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find a lot of examples. Go ahead and choose the type that you like. For example, I'm going to choose this one. Click on edit. As you can see, guys. So right now, you're going to be taken to the Wix website editor. So once you're here in the editor, if you go here to the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize and design your site. Here you're going to find add element, add section, pages and menus, site design, add apps, my business, media, and lastly, CMS. So right now, if you want to add a text element, for example, click on element, and then here you're going to find text. As you can see, guys, you can add images, buttons, and everything that you want to your uh, article. For example, I'm going to click on this option right here, and then you can type right here in this box. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video.